tell you about the interior of the earth. Have you ever wondered what lies inside the earth? There are 3 layers inside the earth. The uppermost layer of the earth is the crust. It is in the form of solid. The second layer of the earth is mantle. It is in the form of semi-solid. And the third layer of the earth is core. It is in the form of liquid. Now you can take an example of a boiled egg. The outer covering of the egg, the shell, is the crust. It is in the form of solid. The albumen, the white layer, is in the form of semi-solid. It is the mantle. And the innermost layer, the yolk, it is the core. It is in the form of liquid. Now, let us move with more detail. Crust. Crust is the thinnest layer of the earth. It is about 35 kilometers. There are 2 types of crust: continental crust and oceanic crust. Now, what is continental crust? The land masses in which we are standing, playing, is called continental crust. And what is oceanic crust? The land masses which is under the ocean is oceanic crust. The continental crust is about 35 kilometers and the oceanic crust is about 5 kilometers. But in spite being the oceanic crust is 5 kilometers, it is a heavy weight. But in spite of 35 kilometers, the continental crust is of lightweight because the continental crust has less density, it has more space. That's why it is of lightweight. And the oceanic crust has more density. That's why it is of heavyweight. Let's take an example. I have gave you a big thermocol box. You can hold it. But if I gave you a small iron box, you can't hold it. It is heavy because the thermocol box has less density. That's why it is very big. But it is of lightweight. But this iron box is too small, but it has more density. That's why it is of heavy weight. Now, I hope you have understood what is continental crust and oceanic crust. Now, the continental crust is made up of silica and alumina. It is called Sial. And the oceanic crust is made up of SiMa, silica magnesium. Now let us move to the second layer, mantle. Just beneath the crust is a mantle which extends up to the depth of 2,900 kilometers. Now let us move to the innermost layer, the core. The core is the innermost layer with a radius of 3,500 kilometers, and the central core has very high temperature and pressure. The core is made up of Nephi, nickel and iron. I hope you have understood all these terms. Thank you.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on.
Good morning, friends and my teachers. Today I will explain the topic interior of Earth. Let's start. Interior of Earth. Just like an onion, the Earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. एक ओनियन की तरह ही अर्थ हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारी लेयर्स होती है। बेसिकली अर्थ में 3 लेयर होती है, जैसे कि क्रस्ट, मेंटल, कोर। अब ऐसा में नहीं आएगा। अब इसका भी एग का एग्जांपल लीजिए। एग का पहला वाला जो ऊपर वाला होता है वो क्रस्ट होता है। जैसे कि अब उसको अगर आप तोड़ देंगे तुरंत टूट जाएगा, क्रस्ट रहेगा, क्रस्ट हो जाता है जैसे कि वो। फिर उसके अंदर वाइट वाला थोड़ा मोटा होता है जो, तो उसको मेंटल कहते हैं। मेंटल तो उसको एग्जाम्पल में ले लीजिए, मेंटल। और फिर उसके बाद आ जाएगा कोर, सबसे क्या बोलते हैं नीचे वाली लेयर। तो ये हो गए 3 लेयर। ओनियन का एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं आप लोग। और फिर द अपर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस इज कॉल्ड क्रस्ट। जो अर्थ की अपर मोस्ट लेयर होती है, सबसे ऊपर वाली लेयर होती है ना, उसको क्रस्ट कहते हैं। अब वो सबसे थिनेस्ट लेयर होती है जो कि बस 35 किलोमीटर तक चलती है। और 35 लेयर तो आप लोग कहेंगे कि बहुत कम होती है, बस 35 लेयर इतना चलती है तो कैसे इतनी छोटी हो गई। पर अर्थ के अंदर जो जितना डीप जाता है तो वो 1000 किलोमीटर होता है, बहुत नीचे होता है वो। The main mineral constitute of the continental mass are silica and aluminum. जो मेन मिनरल कंस्टिट्यूट होते हैं कॉन्टिनेंटल मास के, सिलिका और एल्युमिनियम होते हैं। ये और क्या बोलते हैं, सीआर भी कहलाते हैं। सिलिका का सी, एल्युमिनियम का क्या बोलते हैं, एल्युमिनिया का एल, हो गया सीएल। फिर द ओशियानिक क्रस्ट मेनली कंसिस्ट ऑफ सिलिका एंड मैग्नीशियम। जो ओशियानिक क्रस्ट होते हैं उसको सिलिका और मैग्नीशियम से बने रहते हैं। उसको हम लोग सीमा भी कह सकते हैं। सिलिका का सी, मैग्नीशियम का मा। सिलिका एंड just beneath the crust it is the metal which extends up to the depth of 29 km. The metal जो है 9 किलोमीटर तक अंदर चल जाता है, below the crust के below। inner most layer is the core with radius of about 35 किलोमीटर। अंदर की सारी लेयर inner most layer जो होती है उसकी रेडियस कम से कम 35,000 किलोमीटर होती है। इट्स मेनली मेड अप ऑफ निकल एंड आयरन। वो निकल और आयरन से बने रहते हैं। वो नाइट भी कहलाते हैं। जैसे कि क्या बोलते हैं, निकल का नी और क्या बोलते हैं फेरस का फे। जो फेरस क्या बोलते हैं, आयरन होता है वही। द सेंट्रल कोर हैज हाई टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर। सेंट्रल कोर होता है उसके पास बहुत हाई टेम्परेचर क्या बोलते हैं प्रेशर होता है। तो दिस इज द टॉपिक ऑफ इंटीरियर ऑफ अर्थ। थैंक यू।
Good morning, ma'am and sir, and good morning, student. My name is Divyanshi Yadav, class 7th B. Today I am going to explain interior of the earth. The earth's internal part is made up of 3 layers. First, crust, second, metal, and third is core. The crust is outer layer of the earth. It is very thin. It is very in comparison to metal and core. It consists mainly solid and rocks. The crust consists 2 parts. First, oceanic crust, second, continental crust. The oceanic crust is less than 10 kilometers, while the continental crust is 35 to 42 kilometers. Below the crust lies the metal. It is made up of rocks. When hot rocks melt sometime into thick metal liquid called magma. The magma sometimes throws out from the crater that developed on the crust. This is called volcano. After wetting the surface of Earth, the magma is called lava. Below the metal is the core. It is innermost part of the earth. It is made up of mostly iron and nickel. The core is divided into two layers. First inner core, second outer core. The inner core is solid while the outer core is liquid. Thank you.
Hi friends, myself Navya Singh, and today we is going to start Geography chapter 2, that is inside our earth, and our topic is interior of the earth. Before going to start our topic, let's take a short look on what is earth and what is the earth made up of. Now, what is earth? The earth, the planet on which we live, is called our earth, and the earth is the only planet in the solar system where the life exists. Now, what is the earth made up of? The earth is made up of many layers. It is gradually made up of three main layers, that is crust, mantle and core. Now let's discuss about crust. So what is crust? The crust is the uppermost layer of the earth's surface. It is about 35 km thick from the continental masses and 25 km thick from the ocean floor. It is made up of silica and alumina called Cl. Si means silica and Al means alumina. The ocean crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium called Sima. Si means silica and Ma means magnesium. Now the second one is mantle. So what is mantle? Just beneath the crust, the mantle is present there, which extends up to the depth of 2,900 km. Now the third one is core. So what is core? The innermost layer of the earth and before the mantle is called core. When we talk about its radius, it is about 3,500 km. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron, that is called neef. The meaning of neef is made up of Ni and Fe. Ni means nickel and Fe means ferrous, that is iron. In last, when we talk about central core, it has very large temperature and pressure. Before closing the video, let's take a short revision. The first one is the dynamic planet on which we live is called the earth. It means the earth is only planet where the life exists. The second one is the earth has three main parts, crust, mantle, core. It means the earth is made up of three main layers called crust, mantle and core. The third is the outermost layer of the earth's surface is known as crust. It means the upper layer of the earth's surface is called crust. The main mineral of the continental mass are silica and alumina. It means the crust is made of the silica and the alumina. The fifth one is the middle layer, means before the crust and after the core is called metal. It means the between layer of the earth is called metal. The last one is the innermost layer, which is made up of nickel and iron, is known as core. The center point of the earth is called core.
Hello everyone, myself Namra Siddiqui from class 7th B, and I am going to explain Geography chapter 2, inside the earth, and the topic is interior of the earth. So let's start. What is earth? The earth is the place where we live. And what is inside the earth? The earth is made up of several layers. The upper layer is called crust. It is made of solid, and the second layer is mantle, and it is form of semi-solid, and third layer is core. It is form of liquid. Have you ever thought what is crust? The crust is the thinnest layer of the earth. It is about 35 kilometer. There are two types of crust: continental crust and oceanic crust. So, continental crust. The continental crust about 35 kilometer and 5 kilometer on ocean floor. It is made up of silica and alumina called cerium. Si silica and Al alumina. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium, is called SiMa. Silica, Si silica and Mi magnesium. And the innermost layer of the earth is core, with radius about 3,500 kilometer. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Chris from the class 7th B. I am going to explain the interior of Earth. You can suppose that the interior of Earth is just like an onion. The Earth is made of the several concerned the one side another. Mainly the Earth have three different layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. First, the core. The core is the outer layer of our planet. The crust of the Earth is composed of a great variety of indigenous, metamorphic and sedimentary rocks, and the crust is underlain by the mantle. The mantle lies between the Earth's dense superheated core and its thin outer layer, and it is situated between the crust and the core. Third, core. The core is the hottest part of the Earth. It is located in the center of any planet. The core is found about 3,900 km below the Earth's surface. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Anshika Yadav from class 7th B. My topic is interior of Earth. The study of the structure of the Earth focuses on its layered structure and the variation in the density and temperature at various depths. The shape of the Earth is that of a shepherd with mean equilateral radius of 63,78,388 kilometers and polar radius 63,556,912 kilometers. Concisely speaking, the Earth is a globe having a radius 6,371 kilometers. The Earth interior has been divided into three major parts: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The crust. It is the topmost layer of the Earth. Its thickness over the oceanic areas is generally 5 to 10 km, whereas to the continental area it is 35 km, and the thickness ranges from 35 to 75 km in orogenic belts. The crust of the Earth is subdivided into sub-layers as follows: Ciel and Sima. Ciel. It is also known as upper continental crust. It consists all types of rocks. Sima. It is also known as lower continental crust. Its thickness is about 22 kilometers. It includes two parts: outer Sima and inner Sima. Mantle. It is separated from overlying crust by the macrowave. It is a source region of most of the Earth's internal energy and forces responsible for ocean flow, like spreading, organic continental drift, and a major earthquakes. Core. It is separated from the gutter pending with Earth discontinuity and extend up to center of the Earth. It consists three parts: outer core, inner core, and middle core. Outer core. It extends from 2,900 to 4,982 km. It is considered to be in a state of homogeneous fluid, and it does not transmit as waves. Middle core. It is a transition layer extend from 4,982 km to 5,121 km. The material is a fluid to semi-fluid state. Middle inner core. It is believed to contain metallic nickels and iron and is called knife. Its thickness is 1250 kilometers. Thank you everyone for watching this video.
Hello everyone, this is Suryani Asar from class 7B. I am going to tell you about interior of Earth. Let's get started. The Earth is divided into three main layers: the dense hot inner core, yellow the molten outer core, orange the mantle, red and the thin crust brown, which supported all life in known as universe. मीन्स पृथ्वी 3 मुख्य परतों से विभाजित है। घने गर्म आंतरिक कोर पीला पिघला हुआ, बाहरी कोर नारंगी मेटल लाल और पीला परत भूरा, जो ज्ञात ब्रह्मांड में सभी जीवन का समर्थन करता है। नाउ अर्थ इंटीरियर इज जनरली डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 मेजर लेयर्स: द क्रस्ट, द मेंटल एंड द कोर। पृथ्वी के आंतरिक भाग को आमतौर पर 3 प्रमुख परतों से विभाजित किया जाता है: क्रस्ट, मेटल और कोर। सो नाउ आई विल टेल यू definitions of crust, mantle, outer layer and inner core. So what is crust? The crust is made of solid rocks and mineral. Beneath the crust is the mantle, which is also mostly solid rocks and minerals, punctuated by variable areas of semi-solid magma. Second is mantle. Mantle is a layer of silicate rock between the crust and the outer core. It has a mass of 4.01 into 10 power 24 kg and thrust makes up 67% of the mass of Earth. It has a thickness of 2,900 kilometers, making up about 84% of Earth's value. Third is inner core. The inner core is a hot, dense ball of mostly iron. The temperature of inner core is far above the melting point of iron. Fourth is outer core. Outer core is a fluid layer about 2,400 km thick and composed of mostly iron and nickel that lies above Earth's solid iron core and below its metal. Its outer boundary lies 2,890 km beneath Earth's surface. So this is the picture.
Interior of the Earth. The Earth is like an onion. It is made up of several concentric layers. The uppermost layer of the Earth is called crust. It is the thinnest layer for about 35 km, and on the ocean floor it is only about 5 km. There are two main minerals which found on the continental mass: silica and alumina. And on the oceanic crust, it mainly consists of silica and magnesium, so it is called seema. Just beneath the crust, the next layer is mantle, which is about 29 km deep. The innermost layer in the Earth, the innermost layer in core, which is about 3,500 km radius. It is mainly made up of nickel and ferrous iron, so it is called Nephe.
This topic is interior of the Earth. Just like an onion, एक ओनियन की तरह, the Earth is made of several concentric layers with one inside another. एक ओनियन की तरह अर्थ भी एक ओनियन की तरह है, उसके अंदर लेयर के अंदर एक और लेयर है और उसके लेयर के अंदर एक और लेयर। The
उस सबसे ऊंचा लेयर है क्रस्ट। द अपरमोस्ट लेयर ओवर द अर्थ सरफेस इज कॉल्ड द क्रस्ट। सबसे ऊंचा लेयर है उनमें द क्रस्ट। इट इज़ द थिनेस्ट, ये सबसे पतला लेयर है, और ऑफ द ऑल लेयर्स सबसे पतला, और ये 35 km है, 35 किलोमीटर ऑन द कॉन्टिनेंटल मैसेस, और बस कॉन्टिनेंटल मैसेस पे ये 35 km है, और वहीं ओशियन फ्लोर्स पे सिर्फ 5 किलोमीटर्स। The main mineral constitutes of the continental Mars are silica and aluminium. The main mineral है इन कॉन्टिनेंटल मार्स में आज सिलिका एंड अल्मोनिया है सबसे मेन, एंड ये सियाल कहा जाता है इसको, थस कॉल्ड सियाल। द ओशनिक क्रस्ट मेनली कंसिस्ट ऑफ, जो ओशनिक क्रस्ट है वो मेनली कंसिस्ट ऑफ सिलिका से बना है, एंड मैग्नीशियम। इट इज देयरफॉर कॉल्ड सीमा, वो सीमा कहलाता है। जस्ट क्रस्ट के नीचे ही है मेंटल, और ये 2900 किलोमीटर में है बिलो द क्रस्ट, और 29 km बिलो द क्रस्ट है। द इनर मोस्ट लेयर इज द कोर, सबसे नीचे वाला लेयर है कोर, उसको कोर कहते हैं, विद रेडियस ऑफ 3500 किलोमीटर्स। 3500। इट इज़ मेनली मेड ऑफ निकल एंड आयरन, ये निकल और आयरन से बना हुआ है, एंड इज कॉल्ड नाइफ, ये नाइफ कहलाता है। द सेंट्रल कोर हैज वेरी हाई टेम्परेचर, ये बहुत गर्म है और इसमें बहुत प्रेशर है। थैंक यू क्लास, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ।
Everyone, my name is Sarik Senwaj. I study in class 7th B. Topic: interior of the earth. Earth is divided into 3 main layers. The density is hot inner core yellow, the molten outer core orange, and mantle red, and the thinnest square brown, which support all life in no universe. Earth interior is generally divided into 3 major layers. First, crust, the thinnest layer of the earth. It is about 35 km. Second, mantle, just breathing in the crust is a mantle which extends up to the dependent or 2900 km. Second, core. The core is the innerest layer with the radius of the 3500 km. Have a nice day. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. I am Arpit Jaiswal from class 7th B. I am going to explain chapter 2 from geography, inside our earth, and the topic is interior of a earth. Earth interior. The earth is divided into 3 main layers: the dense not inner core yellow, the molten outer core orange, the mantle red, and the thin crust brown, which supports all life, is known as universe. The Earth's interior is generally divided into 3 major layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The hard brittle crust extends from the Earth's surface to be so-called Mohorovic discontinuity, nicknamed the Moho. The Moho is not located at a uniform depth, but about 10 kilometers 6 miles below the sea floor, and about 35 kilometers 22 miles beneath the surface of a continent. Beneath the moho is mantle, the viscous layer that make up more than half of Earth's volume. The mantle is divided from the core by about 2,880 kilometers, 1,798 miles beneath Earth's surface. The outer core is molten and a liquid iron and a nickel, with the inner core is solid and a much more dense than either iron or nickel at the surface. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.
Principal ma'am, my teachers, and all of my friends. Today I am here to explain the Earth, it seems that it is made up of a single layer. But science provides us the vision which clearly explains that the Earth is made up of several concentric layers. Here the term concentric means the center of all layers are same, as we can see in the picture. So the first layer of Earth is crust. What is crust? The uppermost layer over the Earth's surface is known as crust, and it is the thinnest among all the layers. And the second layer of Earth is mantle. It is just beneath the crust, and it is also known as magma in molten state. Mantle extends up to a depth of 2,900 km below the crust, and the innermost layer of Earth is core. It is divided into two parts. One first of outer core, and the second one is inner core. The radius of the core is about 3,500 kilometers, and here is the boundary of core and mantle. So this picture clearly shows the internal view of Earth. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone, myself Faisal from class 7. I am here to discuss the topic interior of Earth. Just like an onion, the Earth is made up of the several content layer with inside and layer. The uppermost layer over the Earth's surface, all called crust. It is the thinnest of all layers. It is 35 km on the continental masses and only 5 km ocean floors. Rock and mineral. The crust is made up of various. The crust is made up of various type of rock. Any natural made up of mineral and other made up of Earth's surface. Earth crust is called rock. Rock are different size, color, and texture. There are three types of rock. Indigenous rock are formed from matter deep inside the earth. Second, sedimentary rocks are formed from layers of sand, silt, and deep planet and animal skeleton. Trophic rocks formed from the other objects are changed by the heat and presence underground. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishi Visokarma. I am study class 7th B. Today I am going to define interior of the earth. Interior of the earth. The earth in the interior composed 4 layers. The 3 soil and 1 liquid, not magma but molten metal, nearly hot as the surface of the sun. The dissipator layer and soil iron ball about 1,500 mil, 2,400 kilometers in diameter. About interior core is outer core, cell of the liquid iron.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Interior of Earth is made of several continental layers with one inside another. The uppermost layer of the Earth's surface is called the crust. It is the thinnest of all layers. There are two types of crust: continental crust and oceanic crust. The crust is about 35 km on the continental masses and only 5 km on the ocean floor. The main minerals constituents of the continental masses are silica and alumina. It is thus called Sial. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and manganese. It is therefore called Sima. Just beneath the crust is the mantle, which extends up to depth of 2,900 km. Before the crust, the innermost layer is the core, with a radius of about 3,500 km. The central core has very high temperature and pressure.
Good morning, respected teachers. Myself Ayushi Singh from class 7B, and I am here to present you the interior of the earth. The earth is our homeland and it is a unique planet. The uppermost layer is called crust and it is the thinnest layer. It is about 35 km on the continental masses and only 5 km on ocean floors. The main mineral constitutes of the continental masses are silica and alumina. It is thus called Cl. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium. It is therefore called Sima. just beneath the crust, it is mantle, which is extend up to depth of 2,900 kilometers below the crust. The innermost layer is core with radius of about 3,500 kilometers. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron, and it is called NIF. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. The earth crust is made up of various types of rocks. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teachers. My name is Ankit Yadav. First, today topic is interior of our earth. First, mantle. First, crust. Second, mantle. Third, inner core. Fourth, outer core. First, crust. The uppermost of the layer of the earth are called crust. Mantle. The mantle of middle side of the earth are called mantle. Inner core. The inner core are very heat of the earth because he outer core is very heat of the earth's surface.
Myself Sarat Kusa from class 7B, and my topic is interior of the earth. The earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. The uppermost layer is called crust. The middle layer is called mantle. The innermost layer is called core. The crust is the thinnest of all the layers. It is divided into two parts: continental crust and the oceanic crust. Continental crust 35 km डीप में है और ओशियनिक crust 5 km डीप में है. कॉन्टिनेंटल crust के मेन मिनरल सिलिका एंड एल्यूमिनियम है, जिसको सील कहते हैं. ओशियनिक crust के मेन मिनरल सिलिका एल्यूमिनियम है, जिसको सीमा कहते हैं. द मिडल लेयर इज कॉल्ड मेंटल. ये 2,900 किलोमीटर डीप में है. इसके मेन मिनरल मैग्मा है. द इनर मोस्ट लेयर इज कॉल्ड कोर, जिसका रेडियस 3,500 किलोमीटर में है. इसके मेन मिनरल निकल एंड आयरन है, जिसको नाइफ कहते हैं. यहाँ लाइफ पॉसिबल नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ हाई टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर है.
Hello everyone, myself Nonit Yadav from class 7th B, and I am going to explain the topic from our book, that is interior of the earth. There are three layers of the earth: crust, mantle and core. First one is crust. Crust is the uppermost layer of the earth's surface. It is the thinnest of all the layers, and it's about 35 km on the continental mass and only 5 km on the ocean floor. Second one is mantle. The portion of the interior beyond the crust is called the mantle. It is in a solid state. It has a density higher than the crust position. The crust and uppermost part of the mantle is called the lithosphere. Core. Last one is core. Core is the hottest among all the two layers. The core mantle boundary is positioned at the depth of 2,900 km. The inner core is the solid state, whereas the outer core is in the liquid state. That's the end of the explanation. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and who are watching this video. Myself Abhishek Kumar Gupta, and I am studying class 7B. Today I am standing in front of you to explain the topic interior structure of the earth. The size of the earth is about 12,750 kilometers in diameter. Was known by the ancient Greek, but it was not until the turn of the 20th century that scientists determined that our planet is made up of three main layers: crust, mantle and core. Different layers of the earth. The earth consists of three layers: crust, mantle and core. First, crust. The solid outer layer is the crust. Second, mantle. The semi-molten rock called magma lies in the mantle below the crust. Beneath the mantle is the core. Third, core. The outer core is a liquid mixture of nickel and iron, while the inner core is solid. The crust. The crust is a very thin layer that measures between 0 and 60 kilometers. It has 2 layers and is composed of 2 major kinds of rocks. The thin oceanic crust has a depth of 5 to 10 kilometers and is made up of basalt, which is less dense than granite. The crust can be broken down into plates, which produce earthquakes when they move along
The crust has divided into 2 parts, continental crust and oceanic crust. The continental crust is 35 km depth the earth, and the oceanic crust has 5 km depth the earth. The continental crust has divided into the main mineral of the continental crust are silica and alumina. The main mineral of oceanic crust has silica and magnesia. Second part is mantle. Just beneath the crust is mantle. The mantle is 2,900 kilometer depth the earth. The mantle is called.
Good afternoon, teacher. I am Anand Pratap Singh. I am studying class 7th. I describe about interior of the earth. This is crust, this is mantle, this is molten outer core, and this is solid inner core. Crust. This is the uppermost layer over the earth's surface. It is thinnest of all the layer. It is about 35 km long. Mantle is solid bulk of earth interior. This is molten outer core. Molten outer core is the fluid layer. About 2400 km thick and composed. Mostly iron and nickel that lies above the earth's solid inner core below the mantle. Inner core. Solid inner core is the center of some planet. Extremely high temperature and pressure distance from the liquid outer core. Thank you.
My name is Siddhi Misra. I am studying in class 7th B. Today is my topic, the interior of Earth. Just like an onion, the Earth is made up of several concentric layer with one side and another. The uppermost layer of the Earth's surface is crust. It is the thinnest of all the layers. It is about 35 km on the conventional masses and only 5 km on the ocean's floors.
The mantle is called magma. The third part of the earth is core. The core is 2 parts, inner core and outer core. The core radius is 3,500 km depth the earth. It is made up of nucleus and iron. Thank you.
The mantle is below the crust. It is the thinnest layer of the earth, spanning almost 2,900 kilometers and making up to 84% the earth volume. It consists magma. As the depth becomes Near the core, the temperature increases. This is known as the geonorbital gradient. The crust and the upper part of the mantle up to the lithosphere, a zone of rigid brittle rock. The layer below it called the core. The core is at the center of the earth. In this region, the temperature is hotter than the mantle. The liquid outer core is 2300 kilometers thick. It is composed permanently of iron and nickel. Hence, it is called the knife layer. The temperature here is around 4000 to 5700 degrees Celsius. Due to its high temperature, the outer core undergoes conversion of the rotation faster than the planet. The inner is a solid ball with a radius of 1220 kilometers. Like the outer core, the inner core is made up of iron, nickel, but in solid form. The temperature is quite high at around 7000 degrees Celsius.